guys, my name is Akash Sharma and what is your name?
Sis.
We are telling you a nice story. That story is about a lion and a
Lion, tiger,
cow.
cow and tiger and a wolf.
So once upon a time there
And car snake.
there is cow also. One snake, one tiger, one lion and one cow.
Cow.
Okay. So once upon a time there was a
Cow.
tiger.
Tiger.
What was there?
Tiger, no, cow.
There was a cow. The cow name was Bitto, and Bitto was very much beautiful. She always used to smile, she used to play, and one day she was drinking water at the bank of river, and there came
अरे ये तो बोल रहा है ये अंकल और स्नेक ये कह रहा है आराम से करो स्टोरी ये कह रहा है
कौन अंकल snake कौन? You want to know?
ये स्टोरी ऑफ द
You will tell story?
स्टोरी है टाइगर एंड
हटाओ chairs, हटाओ. Shrestha will tell story.
स्टेयर नहीं हटाओ मैं बैठूंगा
पड़ती है जो में.
तो तुम हट जाओ.
चलो ओके.
You will tell.
चल. Once upon a time.
अरे
Hello friends, my name is Resha.
अरे पहले मूवी अरे ऐसे ही मैं ट्राई करेंगे पापा के साथ मूवी ट्राई करेंगे The cows and the tiger and the wolf and the calf and snake and wolf and lion and
Turtle.
turtle.
Okay, so once
For that time they were the cow.
there was a cow. It was very happy cow. It always used to dance on which song? Bala Bala Shaitan Kazala. So Bala Bala was cow's favorite song. Cow name was
Agmari.
Aankh Mare. Cow name was Aankh Mare. So it was drinking water at the bank of the river, and it saw somebody coming. Who was coming? Tell who was coming. Huh? Arey loud, speak loud.
Hey, ghost.
It saw a ghost coming like this. And then what did ghost do? Tell everybody.
Then the cow drink hot water and he become so dangerous. He beat to another ghost. He went to the another tree and he want to fight with him.
And then they did a very good fighting like this. And then there came Ka. Like
Big cow.
and it said, I. What did it say? Louder, louder.
I
am the
and the
jungle's eyes.
I can see the past and the future.
And the future, it is I.
Cow of the peak of the jungle.
And then ghost, cow, and Ka. All three were there who were sitting for a party.
And they were fighting in the party.
They wanted to celebrate the birthday of.
They eat so many cakes and they fight
Yes, like what?
like this. Like this,
This boxing.
like this. They fight like this.
And after this, there came a wolf. Wolf came and it was singing the song. Which song it was singing?
And he was singing.
Which song?
He was singing.
Woo!
And one day, skeleton come.
Louder, louder.
The big skeleton, so big skeleton.
So big a skeleton came, and what is the skeleton song? Tell.
Danger song. Ah!
Okay, so this skeleton came and it wanted to talk to cow, Ka, and the tiger. So it said to the tiger, "Hey tiger, I'm a skeleton. Listen to me."
And he was so dangerous cow, and he want to fight with big skeleton. He beat two cow and snake and they beat him.
Yeah, they beat, and the cow said, "Please don't beat me. I just came for eating cake and chocolate. I did not want to fight with you." Then what did wolf say?
Then what did skeleton big said? He said, "Okay, I'm not eating you, and I'm not beating you.
I want something. What? I want cracks and
Gigi!"
cracks and Gigi. Skeleton came to take cracks and Gigi, and then the cow went running to the shop, and it gave money to the shopkeeper and said,
He said, "Give me the cracks and Gigi."
then the shopkeeper said, "How many cracks you want?" Then it said,
So many cracks and so many for cracks and for Gigi. So many.
and then it brought all the cracks and Gigi and gave it to.
Skeleton. And one day the cow, there were so many cows, they went to take toys.
And then, guys, rest of the
Then
story.
then dangerous uncle said, "But you want to take toys? You want to take so many toys?" Yes, for skeleton, so many toys.
And there came Mama.
So many, Mama.
So many Mama. And what did she say?
He said to all so many cows, "You want to take jelly?"
Jelly? And then cow said,
Then so many cows said, "No, I will not eat jelly.
"Then what will you eat?"
The big chocolate.
Which one?
So big chocolate."
And you want to go to market also, cow?
Okay. Then uncle said to dangerous cow, he said, "I want to take chocolate, big chocolate."
So give me chocolate. And now, guys, please go give chocolate to.
Cow.
Huh?
To dangerous cow.
To.
Dangerous cow.
Okay, now to be continued in the next story. Okay, thank you for watching.